When to drop collision insurance. Auto casualty insurance is required by every state in the country except for New Hampshire. It is more commonly known as liability insurance, and it is very important that you have enough of it. Liability insurance is the portion of your policy that will protect you from financial ruin if you purchase enough coverage in your policy. This is what pays for injuries or damages done in an accident you are to blame for. If you have enough liability insurance, all you will have to worry about after an accident is the fact that your premiums are going to increase. If you don't have enough of it, you may be worrying about how you are going to fund your retirement. Any damages or costs related to injuries are your responsibility after the insurance company has paid out to the maximum amount you have purchased. A judge can order you to sell stock, real estate, automobiles, or liquidate savings or retirement accounts in order to pay for something your insurance will not cover. Obviously, the effects of this can be devastating. Many people figure they have nothing to lose, so they don't buy enough coverage, but they are probably not aware a judge can attach your paycheck for life if need be. As you can see, it doesn't matter if you are rich or poor. If you are liable for damages, you will have to pay for them somehow. The good news is purchasing enough liability insurance is not as expensive as many people may fear. The difference between $25,000 worth of coverage and $100,000 worth of coverage may be as little as $10 a month. You can also offset the cost of this coverage by purchasing your next policy online. Many people report hundreds of dollars in savings when they purchase their first auto casualty insurance policy online.